Hello, Synergizers. Good morning. Good morning, Govinji. Good morning, Prerna ji. How are you guys?
Good morning. Oh, very well. Thank you.
Okay, wonderful. Or how was your last week?
Interesting to know the core baselines and realize, okay, we had these qualities in us, which probably we never realized.
Wow, great, great, great. Okay, tell me, last time I suggested you to keep in touch with each other. So, are you guys keeping in touch?
Yeah,
Oh,
Pawan.
yes. In
Yeah,
fact,
like
we did this time because we were so taken up by the baseline. So we were discussing our baselines.
Okay, wonderful. That's great. All right. So, I think this was great achievement here. Last week, when we met, you guys identified your core 6 baselines. Okay, now I'm going to tell you there is another interesting activity. The next activity which you will be doing, the name of the activity is baseline expressions, right? In the baseline expressions, you will see that how your core 6 baselines are meeting with the areas of your life. So I'm going to give you some instructions. Please note it down. In the step 1, please,
Is it in the manual?
yeah, it is in the manual. I'll just read for you, you guys. Step 1,
Okay.
you look at your all major areas of your life, like health, relationship, finances, etc. That's a step 1. So look into that. Step 2, look at your now 6 core baselines and then write down how they are being expressed in all those areas of your life. Simple.
Yes.
Any clarification into this? If you need, you can let me know.
you're okay.
So you find the 15 minutes enough for the completion of this activity. The manuals are there
Yes.
and you can just note it down.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right, guys. I'm sure you might have completed your exercise. So
Yes.
are you ready? All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So can we start with the Prerna? If okay. So
Yes.
Prerna,
All right.
share with us. Did you realize that where did you realize your baselines are being met? I mean, in which areas did you realize your maximum baselines are being met?
So, okay. I feel health and fitness,
Okay.
where I felt my baselines were being met because I'm quite particular about my health. So my baselines being faith, honesty, open-mindedness, commitment, family. So having all these baselines, I felt I have I have faith in what kind of fitness plan I follow. I'm honest to do it completely. I'm committed to be on track, and I'm also open-minded about suggestions people give me where health, bettering of health and everything is concerned, and it is making a difference to me, and
Great.
even my family is happy because I'm healthy.
Let's give a big hand to Prerna. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
Yeah. Prerna, did you realize, after this exercise that and why you are enjoying this area like health and fitness? You are enjoying this area in your life. Did you realize this now after this exercise?
Yes, I did because I never looked at it this manner. But yes, when I tried connecting my baseline, so it gave me all the answers. So yes, I do realize that I'm happy because all my baselines are being met in this field.
Did you realize that you had the maximum score in health and fitness in your wheel of life as well?
Yes, so it is because of this. Okay, awesome,
Okay.
interesting.
So now you can, recollect the wheel of base, wheel of life, and now maximum baselines are being meeting, and now you realize this is an area where you are enjoying most in your life. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
I
Let's
do.
go to now. Let's go to now, Govin. So Govin, tell me now, which areas did you realize your baselines are being met?
So for me, it was health and fitness. So here I scored myself. I gave myself 8, and surprisingly, like I found like 5 of my baselines are meeting that. So that was as you just told, right? So it was in total correlation, and it felt great. Yes.
What a coincidence, Prerna also health and fitness, and you're also health and fitness. Wonderful,
Yes.
wonderful. And you, I mean, already responded before my question that even in the Wheel of Life, you had a score of 8 in health and fitness. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, so now did you also realize that why are you enjoying this area of your life?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. I
Okay,
was following the prerna. Yeah.
okay. So can we call it breakthroughs for both of you on this point that you realized?
Absolutely.
Huh? So let's
Absolutely.
clap for both
Absolutely.
of you.
Yay!
Thank you.
Class for us.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you so much. And have a great weekend this time. We will meet next time again. And let me give you a promise that next time we will have another very exciting activity. And let us meet next time. Till then, have a great time. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good day, Pawan.